the reason why we were sort of cultivating this citizen development idea was, in our world, in the risk world, we would see a lot of automation opportunities bubble up from the surface just through the nature of the work we did. We'd have opportunities to kind of look at it and say, well, I wonder why we do it this way. If we could only do X, we could automate this, and Drew wouldn't have to sit there each day and compare interest rates from loan documents to systems. Now, that's great. We can identify all these opportunities, but generally, at least, my experience has been, when we're trying to get somebody with the technical expertise to automate this, we generally run into hurdle rates, meaning they're going to prioritize their opportunities by, cost savings and these metrics that we never really could meet with simply automating one control. So we never really got priority, and sometimes you would be put on a list and 3 years would go by and you wouldn't hear anything. Right? It just kept, well, this is a small opportunity because, if you automate this, maybe we can save, 100 or 200 hours of Drew's time.
So the ROI wasn't
Dude,
really there.
the ROI would never add up
Right.
when you took this single, bite-sized, maybe call it a micro opportunity. But we had found that, if you go through your control environment, once you start stacking up these small opportunities, all of a sudden you have a big opportunity, right?
Mm-hmm.
But you can never make the case that, okay, this is one control, we can save 100 hours. Can you work on it? And it's like, yeah, in 3 or 4 years. So that's kind of, citizen development was kind of born out of trying to solve that problem. And, we had gone quite a long time just saying, God, we could do this if we could just simply, use IDP ourselves and configure it ourselves versus having to meet this hurdle rate. So the journey we were on was, God, I wish we had a tool that could do this and we could be trained on and we can do this ourselves. And it took some time, but we landed on, partnering with AntWorks and their capabilities to really kind of train us up and, provide their technology where we could automate this stuff ourselves, and we continue to do so. So it's been a great relationship thus far. It's really solved a problem that we were looking for a solution for a number of years, and it's been great thus far.